Hey everyone! In this video, we will walk through FastPix's cloud playout system. Streaming services, content creators, and broadcasters use our cloud playout system to turn their on-demand videos and live feeds into a continuous, scheduled TV channel. Using a cloud platform means no infrastructure limitations, instant launch, tons of automation, and global scalability. In this video, we will examine how by using FastPix's cloud playout system, you can import your video assets and live streams, program them into playlists or electronic schedules, create channels with overlays or bumpers, monetize them with ad cues, and finally play out or distribute them as digital channels. Here are all things we will be deep diving into. First, import your videos. You can either upload from an URL or directly from your device. Don't forget to assign metadata tags to your videos to identify them later. Next, let's organize your videos as playlists. Think of playlists as a unit or a group of video assets together, which make adding them to your playout channels easier. You have two types of playlist options: a manual playlist or a smart playlist. Manual playlists let you select and add videos yourself, based on your programming need and discretion. Smart playlists, on the other hand, allow you to add media automatically based on creation or update dates or tags that you assign to your videos at time of upload or import. For example, say you have a funky music playlist. All video you tagged funky can be pulled into this playlist for you. For this demo, we'll go with a manual playlist. Give your playlist a name, a short description, and a unique reference ID. Once your playlist is created, click on Add Media. A pop-up will appear. Here, you can search for specific media or choose to add files in bulk. We'll add 3 media items for our purpose here. Once added, you'll get a confirmation message and the media count in the playlist will update. And that's it. This playlist is ready to go. Next, let's configure your playout elements, things like bumpers, slates, and overlays. Before you create a channel, you can set up bumpers, slates, and overlays. These are important media elements you will need for program transitions, branding, and handling errors gracefully. Let's look at bumpers. Bumpers are short transition clips, like an intro, an ad, or a stinger, that play between main videos. Think of them as your content separators. To add one, go to the Cloud Playout section and open the Configuration tab. From the drop-down, choose Bumper. Now paste the media ID of a video you've already uploaded to FastPix and save. That bumper is now ready to use across channels. Next, let's create some slates. Slates are backup videos used when something goes wrong, like if your live stream is delayed or goes offline. Select Slate from the drop-down and click Create New Slate. Again, provide the media ID of an uploaded video. Slates are essential for live events, so make sure you've set one up if you're working with live inputs. Now, let's explore overlays. Overlays are static images or short video clips that appear on top of your content. You can use them to display logos, watermarks, or ads. Click Create Overlay. You'll see 2 overlay types, static and dynamic. In this demo, we'll create a static overlay, give it a name, and paste in the secure link to either a PNG image or an MP4 video. Note, please make sure it starts with HTTPS. You can also set the display position, duration, and opacity. Once you hit Create, the platform will validate your link and confirm the overlay has been added. With bumpers, slates, and overlays configured, you'll be ready to build your channel. All these playout elements done, let's get cracking with creating a playout channel. Head to the Channels tab. Here, you can choose between a loop channel and a scheduled channel. A loop channel repeats your content continuously. A scheduled channel plays videos between a fixed start and end time. Let's create a loop channel. Click Create Loop Channel and fill in the details, your channel name, an optional logo URL, and a description.
Now, set the start time.
Make sure the start time is at least 10 minutes from the current time. For example, if it's 5:10 p.m. now, set it to 5:20 or later. Choose an end time for your schedule, or let the loop continue indefinitely. In the output section, FastPix is selected by default. You'll also see advanced options like live input fallback, caption import, and dynamic overlay support. For live events, you must set a fallback slate. If no slate exists, the channel creation will be blocked. You can also choose the encoding quality, standard for Full HD or Ultra for 4K resolution. Once everything is filled out as per your specification, click Create Channel. And just like that, your Playout channel will be ready. Next, now that your channel is created, let's add some programs or content to it. Click on the channel. Inside, you'll see a summary of its name, ID, input settings, and delivery destination. If you've selected a live input, you'll also see additional controls. Click Create Program and enter a program name. At this point, the program has no content. So let's add some. You can either search and add videos manually or import the playlist we created earlier. Click Import Playlist. Select the checkbox next to the playlist and confirm. All media inside that playlist is now added to your program. You can enhance your program by adding bumpers, overlays, and video segments. To add a bumper, select a media item, then click Insert Bumper. You can insert it before or after the video, like a pre-roll or post-roll. We'll add a post-roll bumper here. If a video is longer than 15 minutes, you'll see an icon to add segments. Click it to define a custom segment from the video timeline. Just note, segments must be at least 15 minutes long, and they can't start within 30 minutes of your channel's scheduled start time. Once added, you'll see your segment appear as a separate entry beneath the original video, along with its remaining duration. You can also add a live event here by clicking Add Live Event and linking it to the appropriate input. Click the Overlays button inside the program editor. You'll see all available overlays configured for your workspace. Choose the one you want, set the display duration and position, like top left or bottom right, and hit Save. The overlay will now appear during the scheduled playback. Once your program is ready, go back to the main channel page. Click the Schedule tab to see a 3-hour view of your content. It shows which video will play, at what time, and for how long. If it's a loop channel, the same playlist will keep repeating. Now click Activate Channel. One important thing, your channel must be activated at least 10 minutes before the start time. If it's too close, the platform will throw an error. After activation, the channel status will change to Scheduled. A few minutes before the start time, it will switch to Starting. That means FastPix is preparing the Playout engine in the background. Now that the channel is activated and running, let's take a quick look at the live control room. Once the channel starts, a new option appears called Control Room. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a real-time view of your channel's playback. At the top, you'll see the player showing your currently streaming video. Below that, FastPix displays live playback statistics like input stream health, concurrent viewers, and playout status. This gives you real-time confidence that your stream is running smoothly. You'll also find a section called Simulcasting. This allows you to stream the same playout feed to social media platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or any custom RTMP endpoint. To enable simulcasting, just add the RTMP server details and stream key, then click Submit. FastPix will begin broadcasting your live channel to that destination as well. To try all of this yourself, head on to fastpix.io and sign up. You can also check out our guides for a detailed overview. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.